Here we will learn how to convert a percentage to fraction and thereby to ratio. Here we will take three different kinds of examples. Integer percentage, we are referring integer percentage that the percentage value itself is an integer. Decimal percentage, that means the percentage value, this is decimal, and fraction percentage, that means this percentage value, this part is fraction. Let us do one by one. 35%. We know that a percent means a out of 100. In ratio, it can be written as a ratio 100 or a division 100. So, to convert a percentage to any other forms of numbers, we need to just take the value part of the percentage and divide it by 100. Then, after that, it's merely simplification. So, for example, 35 we can write 5 times 7 is 35. 100 we can write 10 times 10, and then if we cancel this 5 and 10 2, so we'll get 7 and 20. 7 division 20. So this is the fraction form. If we convert it into ratio, then it is just 7 ratio 20. Now 175%. Simply, just whatever the value part, whatever the value is, we need to divide it by 100. Now we need to simplify. Let us break this 175. 175. If we divide it by 5 3 times 25, 5 times 5, 7. This is 5. So 175 can be written as 5 times 5 times 7. 5 times 5 times 7. And 100 can be written as 10 times 10. Now this 5 and 10, 2, 5 and 10, 2. So 7 and here 4. So the fraction value is 7, 4. So if we express it as ratio, then it will be 7 ratio 4. Let us do this example, 17.5. So whatever be the value part is, 17.5 division 100. Now this 175 we already know. Now if we take off this decimal, that means if we multiply both top and bottom by 10, this decimal will be gone. So we will be getting 175 division 100 times 10. And in previous example we saw 175 means 5 times 5 times 7. So 175 means 5 times 5 times 7 division 100. We can write it 10 times 10 and then another 10 is there. So 5 and 10 will cancel 2, 5 and 10 will cancel 2. So we will be getting 7 division 2 times 2 is 4 and 10, 40. So 7 division 40. So this is the fraction form. If we convert it, write it in a ratio form, then it will be 7 ratio 40. Let us do this one. 0.015. So percent. So ultimately we will take the value 0.015 division 100. Now we need to simplify it. So this one, if we make it integer, so what will happen is this 0.015 can be written as 1 by 5, 1 5, and for decimal point 1 there are 3 zeros, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and then this 100 is still there. So now if we cancel 5 from here and 5 from here, we will get 20. So we will be getting on the top 3, on the bottom 20 and 1000, it will be 20,000. If we write it as a ratio, it will be 3 ratio 20,000. Let us do two examples where the value is fraction. This part is fraction. So if we write this one as a fraction, then what we will get is 15 division 2, that is the value part, and we will, to convert from percentage to any other form, we need to divide it into divide by 100. So now this 15 division 2, and this is division, and here denominator is 1. So if we convert these divisions, notation to multiplication, it will get 15 division 2 times 1 division 100. So now if we cancel 5 from here, we will get 3. If we cancel 5 from here, we will get 20. So we will get 3 division 2 times 20 is 40. So if we write in ratio notation, we will get 3 ratio 40. That is, this is the fraction value and this is the ratio notation. Same this one, 12, 4 and 4 out of 5. So we will first, it is good to convert this one from mixed form number to improper fraction. So how we can convert that? This 2 will multiply, that is 12 times 5 plus 12 times 5 plus 4 division 5. So this will be 12 times 5 is 60 and 4 64 division 5. So now this is 64 division 5. So this percentage, if we convert into fraction, it will be this value. This percentage means 64.5%. So now if we convert it into fraction, it will be 64 division 5 division 100. So similar to previous one, if we consider denominator 1 and convert this division into multiplication, we will get 64 division 5 times 1 division 100. So now from here, if we cancel 4, then 4 times 16 is 64, 4 times 25 is 100. So we will get 16 division 5 times 25 is 125. So this is the fraction value corresponding to this percentage, or if we write it in the ratio form, it will be 16 ratio 125. So from percentage to any other forms of number, it is easy. We will just take the value of the percentage and divide it by 100, and then after that it's merely simplification.